What's good, gang? Back again with another video. This is the video that everybody has been waiting on, so it's time for me to drop it for y'all guys. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the rear diffuser. So we do have that, the rear canard, side skirts, and we got it combined with the front look split. I'll show y'all that in a minute. I don't want to walk around there right now because it is raining, as y'all do see. But with that being said, I also have 5-inch tips. I also have headers on this car, right? So I got headers, I'm catless, and I'm straight pipe all the way back. So it's nothing on my car, you feel me? So that's why we get the sound that we got. Hold on, let me give y'all a little warm start real quick so y'all can see. That's how we got that sound, gang. We also have Demon replicas on here. Now, these not your regular Demon replicas. I don't know why these look different from everybody Demon replicas that I be seeing. Most people Demon replicas start right here. Mine is actually has a lip and it's not flesh. Also, another thing that we have done, we have lowering springs on the car. I am on E-back lowering springs, gang. So that's another thing I have done. Another thing I got is an oil catch can. I also have a K&N on cold air intake. Let me see. I'll pop the hood for y'all so y'all can actually see what I'm talking about. I do have red interior. Excuse the mess, bro. I just opened up my vlogging tripod again. I had to exchange it because my other one broke. And I kind of like this one. It's more sturdy. I had got one that looked like it hadn't been open. All right, boom. Now this hood might close because I do need some more these bitches right here. Whatever this is, I gotta get some more of these. Okay, so this the strut tire bar. That helps with handling, going around curves and all that. You feel me? It keeps your car level to the ground. Cold air intake, K&N by the way. Got an oil catch can. This is J&L, as y'all see, J&L. The front little splitter, as y'all see, you feel me? That's what I was talking about. Now, everybody wants to know who I'm tuned by. I don't know if I should let y'all know that yet. Y'all got to get me to 10K subscribers, bro, and I probably will drop that. But I am street tuned, you feel me? I am not dyno tuned. I am not whatever else kind of tunes you think. I'm street tuned. So in order for me to get tuned, I actually have to go on the road out here and drive around, get data logs for me to goddamn tune my car. So my tuner can go off of something. So we're street tuned, as y'all see. You feel me? I need them on what's the names to hold it up. But as y'all see, man, that's pretty much all the mods I got done. I don't know why a lot of people think that my mod list is real long when it's really not. Front look splitter, side skirts, rear canards, rear diffuser, all on Amazon. I got that whole kit from Amazon, bro. Everybody keep asking for links, bro. All you gotta do is just type in the year of the car, bro, and everything gonna come up, bro. I promise you. I promise you, bro. Most of the stuff don't have no reviews, bro. You can still get it, bro. As you see, it's on my car. I tinted my tail light, so my tail lights is tinted. I have a custom tag, which it says Pharaoh with the 8 instead of the A right there. You feel me? I got the Chrysler SRT8 badge. Why? Because this motor came out of a Chrysler 300 SRT8. I have 275s all the way around. I did have 315s in the rear and then 275s in the front, but I need a tire so bad, I just went ahead and got the 275s. You can't really tell because I put wheel spacers on, so it kind of looked flush with the car. I feel like the lowering kit really did play a big part because when I lowered the car, it gave me a whole different look. Now, I looked at old pictures before I did the lowering kit, and I'm so glad I went with a lowering kit, bro, because it was so high, bro. It looked like a lifted truck. You feel me? I don't know why the dealership don't, like, sell these cars already lowered. You feel me? Like, even with the hellcats, I feel like the hellcat should come lowered, bro. You paying all that money, and you ain't got no lowering kit, bro. You look just like a scat, but you just got the motor and shit from a hellcat. I don't know, gang. That's just my take on it. But yeah, I am gonna give y'all a walk around, let y'all see. I don't know, like I said, I don't know why everybody think that my mod list was very long, which is not. Performance wise, 93 octane tune, headers, catless, straight pipe, 5-inch tips, bro. That's all I got done performance wise. I don't have nothing else. J&L, K&N, air intake. That's it. That's it. That's all I got, bro. Not gonna lie to y'all, bro. But your tune do play a big role in every mod that you got, bro. Because you got to make sure for every mod that you got that you're tuned. So when you get your car tuned, you have to actually let your tuner know everything you have done, like performance-wise. So I told my tuner everything I got done, and he got me right. You feel me? So give y'all another cold start, well, warm start, because I did drive here. Stuck that song. She sounds so good. Can't run alone because I do have a check engine light. You feel me? But with that being said, though, y'all already see what's going on, bro. I don't have nothing too much done. But the reason why I am loud because I am catless, bro. That's it. I revealed the secret, bro. There y'all go. I am catless, bro. I'm catless. Catless SRT8, bro. You feel me? But that's probably gonna end this video. Go ahead and start another video so y'all boys can get some content. So I get some content rolling in for y'all boys. Also, these are aftermarket headlights. Everything else is stock on this car, bro. So aftermarket headlights, front look splitter, side skirts, rear canards, rear diffuser, 5-inch tips, demon wheels, tint, and that's it. Like, other than that, the car is stock, bro. I ain't really did too much to the car, bro. I just made it look like something. See what I'm saying? It made it sound like something. Now, the question that everybody's been waiting for, will I throw cats back on? Eventually, yes. Will I throw mufflers on? Eventually, yes. But right now, I got it like this, bro, because I was trying to prove a point. I wanted everybody to know that I had the loudest SRT8, you feel me? So, I don't know, bro. You got to hear this bitch in person, bro. A lot of folk be saying on the TV, I guess, the phone, I guess it don't pick it up. But they bit loud, bro. They bit be breaking sound barriers and everything. But that's probably going to be it for this video, man. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe, bro. If you want another mod update, when I start doing more mods, bro, make sure y'all let me know. Should I keep y'all updated along the journey? Let me know. Again, before I end this video, let me give y'all another one. Start up, baby. Oh, it's not going to start up because I done did it too many times. But with that being said, man, I am going to sit the tripod down, probably right here, and I'm going to give y'all a couple rails real quick for the game. Yes, sir. Tripod in effect. I keep getting cut off because I'm running out of space. Now this to everybody who keeps saying that I got knocking and all that, bro. It's not no knocking, bro. I'm catless, I'm straight pipe, I ain't got no muffler. Just held it straight back. I just had to give y'all a real quick though, gang. With that being said, man, make sure y'all subscribe.